Yo. Tasak ba?
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give a big thumb. And also, if you want to subscribe to our channel, please stay with us and subscribe our channel and activate the button for more videos. Today, we are going to test our bicycle and enjoy our bicycle to see what are we going to do, and for more travels, for more discovering new places with our new bike. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. See you